Today I want to show you something really interesting. So see this. This is saying the dark theme and we have a dark background. Now I'm going to change my max settings from dark to light and see. So my website theme also changes from dark to light and it's seen as light theme. And if I change my theme again from light to dark, it changed and now it's saying that it's dark theme with the dark background. So yeah, my website is responsive to the system theme, so this is pretty cool. So one more thing which I did was, here if we go to the console and if we change from desktop view to a mobile view, now it says you are in mobile, and if I again change from mobile to desktop, it says we are on desktop, and back to mobile it says we are on mobile. So basically we can detect if the system theme changes and also if if the viewport changes from desktop to mobile. So yeah, I think it's pretty cool, and let's see how we are doing this. So here's the project here. um, I'm using React Scaffold Lite as a starter project, but you can use anything. So here's the main file here. So the key thing to understand here is this feature, match media. So match media is going to check match media is a JavaScript utility to check media queries inside inside our web page. So basically we can test media queries using this feature, and we can do stuff after that. So first thing we need to check is if match media is present in current browser. So if I go to can I use, and if I check match media, so as you can see the browser support is pretty good. Some older versions of Android and Opera doesn't support it, but for the most part it's pretty good. So let's see. Opera 12.1 is released on 2012, so I think for the most part it's pretty good support. So 98.85% support, which is pretty good. Yep. For mobile 100%, for desktop 99%. Okay, the support is pretty good for match media, and match media dot add even listener. Okay, we're not getting there. Okay, so match media is pretty good support, and to observe a change, like when you are changing our theme from light to dark, to observe the changing theme, what we need to do is we need to set up a event listener. Now you can see window.matchMedia. Okay, the media query to understand, to detect if we are using a light theme or a dark theme is this media query prefers color scheme. So the browser is going to put in this media query inside our web page. Well, by default, like automatically it's going to do that for us. So window.matchMedia prefers color schemes. It's going to help us understand if the current theme of the user is light or dark, and then we can add another event listener to this with add event listener, and the property which you want to listen to is change. So window match media, the media query, and then add listener change. So when this changes we are seeing matches. So if this media query matches whatever we are passing, so if it matches, then the new color scheme is dark, else it is light, and then I can change my color scheme accordingly. So I did the same thing with the uh, window size. So the max width is 600 pixel, then I'm saying it's mobile, else it's desktop. So again I'm using event listener and on change. I can change my layout size as well, and finally some checks. So that when it's unknown, it's saying loading, and then if it's unsupported, then yeah, so I give a error message, and if it is supported, then I change the theme and also the text that it's a mobile or a desktop. So I thought it's pretty cool, and I just wanted to make a quick video and this. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so one more thing I actually want to discuss is some pretty interesting media queries which we may be interested in. So yeah, so following this blog, I'll share the link to this article, and here are a few interesting media queries. So light level, dim, normal, hushed. So yeah, so we can check the light level also, and then invert color also, and yeah, prefers color scheme, which is this is the one which we discussed right now, and then prefers contrast. So yeah, this is one more thing. Prefers reduced motion. So this one is like the user doesn't want too much motion on the screen, then we need to detect this and reduce the motion. And prefers reduced transparency. I'm not really aware of this one. I had to read this, and prefers reduced data. But this one, like if the user turns this on, then there's a signal to our app that we should limit the data usage. And yeah, it's just for improving performance, like to create a better user experience, not performance, to create a better user experience. Okay, so that's all for this video. uh, I hope you liked it, and I hope you learned something. So stay tuned for more such videos.